Hello kids. In the previous classes, we discussed about the concept of area, definition of area, unit of area, how to find area of a rectangle, how to find the area of a irregular shape. Those who missed those classes, please watch those classes from the beginning. I have seen that many students will be making mistakes while doing the problems related to area and perimeter. What is the problem behind that? If a question is not direct, then the kids will be little bit confused. So the remedy is just to understand the concept first. Perimeter means the boundary. We are required to find the boundary. Area means the surface inside the boundary. In the exercise 10.3, section 1, 2, 3, we can do section 1, 2 and 3 in this class. First question says that find the areas of the rectangle whose sides are 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So, see, imagine that this is our required rectangle and this is 4 centimeter and this side is 3 centimeter. To find the area means we should find how many square units we can take out from this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How can we find this by using these numbers? Just multiply length and breadth. That means the formula for area is area equal to length of the rectangle into breadth of the rectangle. Here they have given that length is 4 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. Equal to 12 is our answer and the unit is, since we have length and breadth, two measurements, so square centimeter or centimeter square. Answer is 12 centimeter square. For the next problem, length is 21 meter and breadth is 12 meter. To find the area, just write down the formula first. Length into breadth. Length is given as 21 meter and breadth is 12 meter. So after multiplying 21 and 12, (252) and the unit is 2 meters. So answer is 252 meters square. For the next problem, length is 3 kilometer and breadth is 2 kilometer. To find the area of this rectangle, area equal to, again, length into breadth. Substituting length and breadth in this equation, we will be getting 3 kilometer into 2 kilometer. So 2 into 3, 6. Again, kilometer and kilometer, two dimensions are coming. So the answer will be 6 kilometer square. For the next problem, length is 2 meter and breadth is 70 centimeter. So area equal to length into breadth equal to, here both the units are different. See, 2 meter and 70 centimeter. 70 centimeter can be written as 0.7 meter. Therefore area is L into B. L is 2 meter and B is 0.7 meter. After multiplying 2 and 0.7, we will be getting 1.4. and the unit is, both the units are meter. So unit of area is meter square. So final answer is 1.4 meter square. Question number 2. Find the areas of the squares whose sides are 10 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 5 meter. So first take the length. See, this is a square, both the sides are same. That means length and breadth are same. So we can transfer that formula, area equal to length into breadth. Since length and breadth are same, we can represent length by side and breadth also by side. Okay, so formula for finding the area of a square is side into side, equal to side is 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. 10 into 10, 100 centimeter square is the answer for the first problem. Question number A. Then question number B. Side is 14 centimeter. So as in the same case like this, area equal to side into side. Why? Length and breadth are same for a square. Equal to 14 centimeter into 14 centimeter. 14 into 14, that is 196. Unit is centimeter square or square centimeter. For the question number C. For question number C, side is 5 meter. So area equal to side into side equal to 5 meter into 5 meter equal to 5 into 5. Unit is meter square. So 25 meter square is the answer. Question number 3 says that the length and breadth of these rectangles are, first rectangle's length is 9 meter, 6 meter. For the second rectangle, 17 meter and 3 meter. For the third one, 4 meter and 14 meter. Which one has the largest area and which one has the smallest area? So I have written the length and breadth of each rectangle like this, and below that we can find the areas. So for the first one, area equal to, again write down formula. Without writing the formula, don't try to do the problems. Length into breadth equal to 9 meter into 6 meter equal to 54, and unit is meter square. For the second one, area equal to length into breadth equal to 17 meter into 3 meter equal to 17 into 3 will be 51, and unit is meter square. Don't make mistake while writing the units of area and perimeter. Area is 2-dimensional and perimeter is 1-dimensional. Again for this, area equal to length into breadth equal to 4 meter into 14 meter equal to 56 meter square. Which one has the greatest area? See this one. So greatest area. And which one has the smallest area? 51. Smallest areas for the rectangle 15 meter and 3 meter. Greatest areas for the rectangle 4 meter and 14 meter. If you have any doubt about this, you can definitely ask to me through comment box. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe and support me. Signing off, Femi Bijoy from Max Ninjas.